Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the reactjs Firebase. Today we are going to learn about the sign up process in reactjs. So let's get started. In the previous video we have already talked about the how to create the users using the Firebase in the reactjs. Now we are going to do with the sign in process. Okay, so if haven't you watched the previous video, you can go and check out my previous video, and after that you can process with the sign in. Okay, so here we have already created an account with the emails, so I'm going to just logged in with this one. So this is the one of the email which I have registered. Here you can see that. So where we have the authentication, then we have a users, then you can see that these two users we have. So I'm going to use this one of the user to log in, 993@gmail.com, and here the password I'm going to add over here. Okay, so here you can see that my email is there. So here this is the email over here, email, and the provider, whatever detail over here you will fetch it over here, right? So here you can see that. So let's see at the code level what exactly it is. So let's go to the code. First of all, go with the sign in. So this is signin.js in the components. Okay, right now we have this one react logo with router sign up link, password link. So just we are going with the sign up form. So here just sign up form. Okay, so this is the initial state which we define email password error and showing alert, right? On submit, what will happen? When we submit the function, it will call this one, do sign in with the email and the password. If I go and check this one, this is the Firebase function that is sign in with the user and password. It will accept the email and the password function, right? So here after doing this one, we will check whether the user credentials are coming up or not. If it is, then go to the routes.home, else it will catch the error with the property by key error, and its value is error, and this dot timer. Okay, how much timer it will be required. Now we have this one render function where we have added the form of the email of the sign in. So here we have the form, that is form group email, and here we have the password, and then we have a button on the submit. We have already defined the process. On the submit, it will check initial state. Okay, and then we will go with the do sign in with the email and the password, and this will, here you can handle the cases. Okay, if it is not sign in, then do the catch error and show the alert, show the toast message that invalid username and the password or something like this, right? So I will just try to log in with the wrong password. Okay, so Chinto developer 1993 at the rate gmail.com, and this password is wrong. The password is invalid and the user does not have the password. Okay, you can see that the message is coming up because my password is wrong. So this is in the catch and set the property by key the error values. Okay, so here you can see that the timer here showing the alert true, and the set timeout like 4 seconds. Okay, it will hide up, right? So this is how we are able to sign in with the Firebase using the reactjs. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. In the next video we will go about the forget password, and let's check the password is going to be reset or not. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.